forgot when I stopped listening to the voices in the haze. I was chasing every whisper, never hearing what I prayed. I thought the stars were there to guide me, but they were mirrors of my mind. Everything I looked for outward was the light I left behind. Faith was never far away. It just spoke a softer name. Hold your breath, the world will wait. All you lost was meant to fade. What they broke was never gone. The quiet fire still carries on. And if you're looking for a hand to save you, raise your head and hear your truth. And if you're looking for something deeper, call the ones who can see beneath your fear. They called it madness when I trusted in the tremble of a smoke. But the noise they built around me never held the truth at all. Now the call feels like confession, not a war I have to win. Every breath becomes a lesson. What I sought was always within. Faith was never out of reach, only waiting to be saved. Hold your breath, the world will wait. All you lost was meant to fade. What they broke was never gone. The quiet fire still carries on. And if you're looking for a hand to save you, raise your head and hear your truth. And if you're looking for something deeper, call the ones who can see beneath your fear. Those who pity me are restless, still chasing weather in their skies. But I found calm beneath the thunder. I don't owe them my replies. And the quiet peace remains. everything fades out.
Let's get blown away. Let's get blown away.
Why girl, many more wanna go, 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 and see my world full of rainbow. cars like the cars I got. Four by the toes, the toes, the toes. Let's get blown away. Let's get blown away. Let's get blown away. Let's get blown away. Smoking with me. You like my ship? Yeah, she likes you too. Where you wanna go today? How about we shag now? No, right now. Me and you, there's nobody else around. Come on. I know you heard that Jimbo sound. Yeah, I got a crew too. But you got some friends? Alright, baby. Let's take a ride on my spaceship. Oh, you don't wanna go no more? Alright, I got something that's gonna relax you. Let's get sway, heard a low song at the break of day. Bold man humming with a hollow grin, said pay your coin, boy, don't step in. I said I ain't got gold, just a soul to keep. He laughed real low like the river runs deep. Oh, row, Karen, row me slow through the dark where the cold winds blow. If I drown, don't let me know, just sing me down where the lost souls go. Met a girl with a crown of snake's eyes like fire in the shadows of Hades' gates. She said, turn back now or lose your name. But I kept on walking through the ash and flame. Every step felt cursed, every breath like stone. But I ain't never been afraid of the great unknown. Oh, row, Karen, row me slow through the dark where the cold winds blow. If I fall, don't let it show, just sing me down where the lost souls go. night, singing wrong but feeling right. Karen, roll me home to the place where the wild things roam. If I'm gone, don't carve no stone, just sing me down where the lost souls go. City lights, but they look so cold. Every story already told, running circles inside my mind, trying to leave this fear behind. Maybe I'm just scared to try. Maybe I've been living a lie, holding back what I can't ignore. There's gotta be something more. I hear a voice inside my chest saying, don't settle for less. I'm craving life. I need to feel something real, not just breathing. I wanna live more than all this empty thrill. I'm craving nights that burn too bright, hearts that race and lose control. If I'm falling, let me fall. At least I finally feel it all. Break the chain, I'd rather feel than feel no pain. Even scars can prove I tried, better than just letting life pass by. I'm craving life, I won't pretend this is not how my story ends. I'll take the risk, I'll cross the line, just to know this life is mine. You fed me rules, called them love, said this is how you rise above. But every favor had a knife. You carved your initials in my life. Cruelty in your mouth tastes sweet when you spit it out. You smile while I bleed it out. How do you sleep so sound? Cruelty in your mouth, you dress it up as truth somehow. You love the way I shut down. How do you sleep so sound? So sound. You joke, then you watch me, wait for my laugh to land. You call it just teasing as you tighten your loving hands. I learned your language, burned my throat. Tried to be smaller than your hope. Now every bruise spells out my name. I'm done mistaken hurt for fame. Oh, cruelty kept the score, tallied every tiny war, every flinch, every quiet breath. You wrote it down like a debt. You called it care, you called it cure, but pain was all you were. Cruelty kept the score. I'm not paying anymore. You passed me matches, then blamed the flame. Told me my scars were just my shame. You twisted truth till it sounded right. Left all your shadows in my light. Cruelty in your mouth tastes sweet when you spit it out. You smile while I bleed it out. How do you sleep so sound? Cruelty in your mouth, you dress it up as truth somehow. You love the way I shut down. How do you sleep so sound? So sound. Maybe I'm the mirror. You hate what you see, so you scrape at the glass till you're cutting through me. I keep calling it caring, you keep calling it real. Funny how affection can feel like a heel on my chest. Cruelty kept the score, tallied every tiny war, every flinch, every quiet breath. You wrote it down like a debt. Ah, you called it care, you called it cure, but I'm walking past your door. Cruelty kept the score, but it's mine, this heart, once more. Cruelty in your mouth tastes sweet when you spit it out. You smile while I bleed it out. How do you sleep so sound? Cruelty in your mouth. You twist my words, you twist my doubt. I'm walking out, I'm walking out. How place, but my eyes don't wanna stay. I smile like I'm unbothered, but my chest is doing backflips anyway. Thoughts keep weighing me down, like I'm hiding something heavy. Not afraid of what you see, just afraid you'll see it steady. I'm not cold, I'm just tired of people wanting me to be fine. I'm not lost, I'm just wired and I'm running out of time. Don't look too close, you might see the cracks. I'm walking on glass, but I'm still on track. I'm calm on the surface, but I'm a storm inside. Don't look too close, or you'll see me die, 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 die. Or you'll see me die. I laugh like it's a defense, I'm practicing the act. I keep my shoulders squared like I'm never looking back. I don't stay too long, I don't stay too late. I don't let people in, cause they always want a gate. I'm not broken, I'm just burning quietly without a sound. I'm not scared, I'm just learning how to stay when I'm falling down. Don't look too close, you might see the cracks. I'm walking on glass, but I'm still on track. I'm calm on the surface, but I'm a storm inside. Don't look too close, or you'll see me die, 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 die. I'm not asking for a rescue, I'm asking for space. I'm not trying to be better, I'm trying to stay in the race. My posture says I'm fine, but my mind's in a fight. I'm smiling for the room, but I'm dying in the night. Don't look too close, you might see the cracks. I'm walking on glass, but I'm still on track. I'm calm on the surface, but I'm storm inside. Don't look too close, or you'll see me die, 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 die.
Don't look at me today. 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 No, it's not really okay. You ain't got much of a say when you've done wrong today. You need to sort things out. You wonder why I shout. You're just a silly fool. You don't look very cool. You should know by now not to do things wrong. I always find out. I can't hide for long. You're really not that bright. Someone turn on the light. No wonder we fight. Let's keep out of sight. One day you wake up. Stop messing up. But I won't hold my breath till that day. 'Cause it won't be today. Won't be today. you do wrong a lot, so think you like to stay. Ain't messing up this way. You must do you, see, or you take a tip from me and stop it all today.
Check my phone, but there's nothing new. Just a blank screen thinking about you. Walked into the kitchen, made a single cup. Habits die hard, I'm still messed up. Your hoodie's on the chair where you left it last. Now it's just a ghost from the broken past. I'm trying to move on, trying to find my way, but the walls keep closing in every day. The rhythm's off, the vibe is gone. Since you walked out, I'm just holding on. Now I'm staring at the empty space where I used to see your face. A little bit of soul, a little bit of pain, falling like the beat in the pouring rain. Turn the music up, let the bass hit low. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna go. Lost in the echo of an empty space. One step, two step, dancing on my own. I never thought I'd feel this much alone. You were the melody, I was the rhyme. Now we're just a waste of a golden time. Filter memories fading out of sight. Left me in the middle of a lonely night. So cold, so quiet in here. I can still feel you standing near, but it's just a dream, just a hollow sound, waiting for my feet to touch the ground. Now I'm staring at the empty space where I used to see your face. A little bit of soul, a little bit of pain, falling like the beat in the pouring rain. Turn the music up, let the bass hit low. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna go. Lost in the echo of an empty space. Just an empty space. Just an empty space. Yeah. We both knew what we were doing. You live across the country, one day in my city. No rules, no questions. Online talking turned into let's meet for dinner, then drinks after. Let's make some memories. Hottest day of the summer, heat wave. You're not helping, help me, no, don't actually. I think I want it. Hottest day of the summer, you're the heat I'm running to. Hotel motive calling, and I'm checking in with you. No names, no past, just scan a hotel room. And the truth, hottest day of the summer, and I melted into you. Turn the corner, you sitting there wearing all black. That smile, you give me like a welcome, I notice. Room got quieter, damn, my pulse got louder. You didn't touch me yet, but I felt it somehow. Heat wave rising, you're not helping, help me, no, actually don't. I want this, make it hotter. Hottest day of the summer, you're the heat I'm running to. Hotel motive calling, and I'm checking in with you. No names, no past, just in a hotel room. And the truth, hottest day of the summer, and I melted into you. Hotel motif, that's what I call you. We didn't need last names, didn't need any rules. You were
the heat, I didn't fight it, overheated. I liked it, you over me, hot night, hot summer. Our bodies burning, one night in the heat wave. Heat wave. Drip, drip. Me dripping, or sweating. Both. Tennessee. Summer. Sticky. Sweet. My skin remembers. One night was never enough. You say Vegas is calling and Tennessee is waiting too. Both is better, multifaceted. When the heat comes, same city, same tension. New city, new views of our bodies. You already know that, don't you? Yeah, I like you to be continued. You say you wanna. Sounds nice. Heat wave. Heat wave. Heat wave. Heat wave. Nothing has changed. It's the constant. I love the taste of cheese. I know that it's all temporary. It's all the space. I don't want your thing. I just need something to blame.
You said forever on a Tuesday. By Thursday you were gone. Left your hoodie on my chair. Still smells like your cologne. Phone lights up with your new pictures. You look happy, I look stunned. I keep scrolling, keep comparing. Every loss feels like I'm the one. Love sucks, but I keep showing up like I'm off to a busted bulb, getting burned, still not enough. Love sucks, yeah, it messes me up, but I swear I'll be back in line for another crash and crush. Love sucks.
like a moth to a busted bulb, getting burned, still not enough. Love sucks, yeah, it messes me up, but I swear I'll be back in line for another crash and crush. Love sucks. Love sucks. Maybe I'm wired for wreckage. Oh yeah. Maybe that chaos feels like home. Tell myself I'm finally done now, till I feel my phone vibrate. There I go. Love sucks, but I keep showing up like a moth to a busted bulb, getting burned, still not enough. Love sucks, yeah, it messes me up, but I swear I'll be back in line for another crash and crush. Love sucks. Love sucks. Still I'm here for another rush.
I was waiting for a sign to start, like a map drawn out in the dark. But the silence only gave me space to hear my own damn heart. I got tired of standing still, of overthinking every hill. So I took one step just to prove I don't need permission to move. Maybe I don't need to know it all. Maybe I just need to go, so I keep moving anyway. Even when I don't feel brave, even when I can't see straight, I keep moving anyway. Every step rewires me, every breath unlocks a key. I don't need certainty, I keep moving anyway. Doubt still riding in my head, but it don't get the final say. I can't carry it along, you don't get to choose my way. I don't need a perfect line, just a reason to take my time. Every inch I claim is mine, every step a new design. Go slow, go fast, just don't go back. Trust the rhythm in your chest, that's the only map you have. So I keep moving anyway. Even when I'm off my pace, even when it feels too late, I keep moving anyway. Every step rewires me, every breath unlocks a key. I don't need certainty, I keep moving anyway. I drew a perfect circle with a shaking hand. Every line was almost what I had planned. Pulled it tight around the center, still it leans. Symmetry remembers what it means. I keep my balance by leaning in. You call it broken, I call it thin. It's a perfect circle, just incomplete. An elliptical symmetry bending where we meet. Close enough to touch it, never quite the same. Every orbit misses center just by name. blurs the edges. When I'm near, the math gets softer every year. It's a perfect circle, just incomplete. An elliptical symmetry bending where we meet. Not a flaw, just motion, tracing what remains. Every orbit misses center, just the same. If I collapse into a line, would you still call it whole? If I break the constant, do I lose control? Nothing here is finished, nothing stays. Even light arrives in curves and delays. So let it wander, let it be a shape that holds its honesty. Not a failure, not a sign, just a circle taking time. Tree swaying in a gentle gust. Got that salty air shaking off the dust. Horizon painted gold, ocean whispers low. Nowhere else I'd rather be, just letting go. Yeah, letting go. And the sun on my skin, it feels like a kiss. Leaving all the city noise, I wouldn't miss this. Got my bare feet on the sand, nothing else planned. Oh, the sun-kissed serenade playing just for me. A new jazz dream by the blue, blue sea. Brass is blowing sweet and low, watching the tide ebb and flow. Yeah, the rhythm of the waves, a perfect decree. This sun-kissed serenade, feeling so free. Feeling free. Cobalt sky, not a single cloud in sight. Just the endless blue, feeling everything.